5 little ducks went out one day, over the waves and far away. Mama duck called, quack, quack, quack. Only 4 little ducks came paddling back. Row, row, row the boat down the stream so slow. Wobbly ducks in a tiny boat, watch them come and go.
4 little ducks went out again, in their rowboat through the sun and rain. Mama duck called, quack, quack, quack. Only 3 little ducks came paddling back. Row, row, row the boat down the stream so slow. Wobbly ducks in a tiny boat, watch them come and go.
Where, oh where did they all swim? Past the rocks and leafy limb. Will they find their way to shore? Will Mama Duck see them once more? Row, row, row the boat down the stream so slow. Wobbly ducks in a tiny boat, watch them come and go.